What is experiment tracking in MLOps? Imagine building a puzzle where each piece represents a different part of your machine learning project. Without keeping track of each piece, it's easy to lose your way. That's where experiment tracking comes in. It's like having a detailed map of every attempt you make while developing your models. In the world of machine learning operations, experiment tracking means recording all the details of each experiment you run. This includes the settings you used, like model configurations and hyperparameters, as well as the data versions and the environment details. It's about capturing everything so you can understand what worked and what didn't. Think of it as a diary for your machine learning journey. You log the results, such as accuracy or loss, and store the outputs for each trial. This way, you can compare different experiments side by side and see which approach gives the best results. It's especially useful when trying out new model architectures or tweaking parameters. Version control is a big part of experiment tracking too. You keep track of data versions and model artifacts, so you can reproduce any experiment exactly later on. This is important for maintaining consistency, especially when deploying models into production. If something goes wrong, you can go back to a previous version and see what changed. Tools for experiment tracking often come with dashboards that visualize trends and results. They help you spot patterns or anomalies quickly. Plus, they support collaboration by giving team members access to the experiment history. Everyone can see what has been tried, what worked, and what needs more work. In the context of deploying AI tools like ChatGPT, DALL-E, or Midjourney, experiment tracking helps keep a record of improvements made over time. It ensures that updates to these models are reproducible and transparent. This is key for addressing ethical issues like bias and maintaining high quality. Overall, experiment tracking is a vital part of MLOps principles. It keeps your project organized, supports continuous improvement, and helps teams work together smoothly. Whether you are developing models for research or deploying them into real-world applications, keeping a detailed record of experiments makes the whole process more manageable and reliable.